In this video we're going to look at coordinates. René Descartes, who lived in the 1600s, gets the credit for coming up with the two-axis system that we use today. The story goes that he lay in bed and watched the flies crawling over tiles in the ceiling. He realised he could describe a fly's position using the intersecting lines of the tiles. This system is often called Cartesian coordinate system in his honour. Coordinates are used to specify a particular place on a grid, and they're also useful for map references. When writing coordinates, we always put the x coordinate first and then the y. So you crawl, which is the horizontal, before you climb, or you go along the corridor and up the stairs. We write them in a pair of brackets with a comma between them, for example 2, 3. And that would mean that we go along 2, so we crawl 2, and then we climb 3. When plotting coordinates, we plot them with an x, and we sometimes label a coordinate with a capital letter, as shown below. So example, state the coordinate of all the marked points below. The first one was done for us, and that's the coordinate we were just talking about, 2, 3. So we've gone along 2 and up 3. So to get to the point B, it's 4 to the right, and then it's 3 up. So we write that as 4, 3, and a bracket around them. C, we go left 2 and up 4. So it's 2 left and 4 up. And we can see that whenever we go to the left from the origin, it goes to negative numbers. So this is going to be -2, 4. To get to the point D, we go left 4 and down 3. And again, the left down, or the left, the 4 left, it goes to a minus number, and also the 3 down, if we look at the y value, it's also a -3. So it's going to be -4, -3. And to get to point E, what we do is from the origin, we go 5 to the right and 2 down. So that's going to be 5, -2. So if we're going left, the first number, the x coordinate, the x number, is going to be negative. And if we're going down, the y coordinate is going to be negative. We could also try and then plot points. So if I said F was at the point 3, -3, what we'll do is we'll start at the origin. We'll go right 3. 1, 2, 3, and down 3, 1, 2, 3, because the negative direction is down. So we'll mark that as F. We could say that G has the coordinate -2, 1. So from the origin then, we're going to go left 2, so we're going to go to -2 and then up 1. We'll mark that as G. And we could do H, which would have the point 0, -5. And what we're doing is we're starting at the origin, we're going across 0, so we're staying put, and then we're going down 5. So I'm going to mark that as H. And similarly, we get a Y, which could have the point -40. And this time we go left 4, and we're not going up or down any. So the last point I is going to be at here.